to sell event tickets directly on your Wix site? Here's the quick 2025 guide. Go to your Wix dashboard and open the Wix Events app. Click Create Event and add the event name, date, and location. Under Tickets, choose Add Ticket and set your ticket name, price, and quantity. You can offer early bird or VIP tiers if you want different pricing. Next, connect Wix Payments or PayPal so guests can online pay. Customize your confirmation emails and add your event image and details to make it stand out. Then, drag the events widget onto your site from editor. Visitors can now view the event, buy tickets, and get instant confirmation. Preview it, test a purchase, and you're ready to go live. And that's it. Your event week's ticket system is up and running. Perfect for concerts, workshops, or meetups. All built inside Wix for 2025.